How to get refund on TEMU without returning your items. Hey guys, let's get started. Did you know that for some items, you can get a TEMU refund without having to return your items? Well, this is only available in some of the items. In such items, you will see this type of message which says you are eligible for a refund without returning anything this time. So for this, you are welcome to keep these items for free. However, this is not available for all the items. So in order to check if the item is available for a free return or free refund, in that case, let's open your demo application. Once you have opened the demo application, tap on the you or the person like icon which is on the bottom. From here, click on yours orders and go to processing. In the processing, you will see an item or an option by which you can return. Once you tap on return, you will know that if the item is available for a free refund or not. If it is, you can just access it easily. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.